So simple. Rice.
Yeah.
Rice balls. The best. We're back on our trek. We're heading to Tokyo. It's gonna be 3 hours. 3 hours with these guys. With these guys. Kind of nervous. I don't know how Uncle's gonna be sitting on for 3 hours, guys.
Maybe it depends on how many jacket, you know. It would have moved nobody hurt, you know. But I'm gonna miss that bidet, boy.
Well, we'll talk about that.
Babe, the thing says that at your hotel over here too.
Oh, bro. Papa, I'm shrapnel.
I was in a,
He's in the zone
I was
over
in the zone.
there.
I was like,
Cousin, I was in disbelief when I saw you sit down in the onsen, because it's there, bro. I wanted to ask the question, bro. Can you see it? When you look down?
Yeah.
He's doing a good one.
I have like only.
But that thing right too.
The first time I was going to be flying and dying.
Where we at, guys?
We are.
You changed the hotel.
We are currently staying in the Hilton Tokyo Hotel. I don't know how far away we are from everything. Yeah, this is the view. Check it out. Can watch people play tennis. Or we could play tennis and get schooled.
I'm not working out.
Yeah, we know you're not working out. Your shirt is telling us that you're not working out. Yeah.
Wait, where's Mom?
Mom don't want to talk to nobody right now.
I did not. What are you talking about?
There she is. She's right there.
Look at that. Hi, Rush. Your dad is dumb.
No, she's being
Speak for
angry.
yourself.
Well, here, you didn't like talk to me? Bill.
Yeah, you're irritating. Doesn't mean I don't want to talk to Rush. I'll talk to Rush.
Oh my gosh. Rush, I was ripping Rush.
Hi, Rush.
I can do a turn, Rush.
Dad was ripping.
Bro, you're a hater, bro. Yeah, see, my boy, that's my boy, that's my dog.
He was.
Oh, bad.
I love you.
Okay, I love you guys. You'll be safe. Yeah,
See
bye.
ya. Love you, Rush. Talk to you
Bye.
later.
Bye, Mom. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Alright.
Arigato.
That was at the bar. You're like, no, I'm not going to Tokyo. I gotta go. You know what? You know what? I got sick.
Where's the taxi stand?
I think we're here, yeah?
Oh.
A few moments later.
Taxi stand over there. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
You pull that ring.
What he did? What you did?
Wow.
What did you do?
Slap his head and act like something's different.
Wait,
Sorry.
did you get that? No.
People might have been crossing though.
Oh. You guys want to eat first?
Yeah.
Before we go to the temple? Oh, yeah.
Robert.
Open the mouth. Suspect.
Oh, this is so good, bro. So rich though from when I went with the flavor. I feel like Alan Holt, cause the junior.
You look like that guy from Step Brothers. Get you a hat.
This one. They got those.
Gotta wear them.
Oh, come on. Leave me hanging by myself, guys. We're taking over this land, brother. Yeah, China, when you bump into some Japanese, and you have to
No
bang some
fighting.
hands.
No fight.
No fighting, cameraman. Cameraman, no fighting.
By the
Tell me
order.
about my mom and life.
Photo boy. Photo boy, no fighting.
Okay, well, look, we picked up somebody. Got a new
Oh.
clan.
There it is. Alright.
Welcome to the Peaky Blinders.
Slowly picking up everybody.
Think this is you?
By the order of the. Oh, yeah. I need to keep that leash on you.
Make sure you carry them on though, huh?
What is?
Oh, we bought you a mask. I told you I was gonna get you a mask, cuz. As a gift.
I don't get where I'm inside though.
No, you wear them in the onsen.
Okay.
Can I go now?
I'll stick it
No, whenever you like. Or you can look if you like.
After. Oh, I get a big bag. You just have that out.
Yeah, please.
Nope.
I don't want to burn myself.
Yeah, it's wild.
Drink them.
Invigorating.
Drink them. Drink them.
What do you call spiritual power?
Hospital power,
Yeah, spiritual power. What does Japanese call it?
spiritual power, and Japanese spiritual power.
Oh, it is. In Japanese, it's spiritual power. They don't have one. Stairs, we meet again. Run that clip back. If I had shocks on this bad boy, I would.
You should charge him money for that. Oh, hug.
I gotta charge him, guys. How long you had it up here? You be having pictures of me for free, guys. Come on.
Back up.
Y'all be seeing. Yes, yes.